Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the basics quickly. Clean the speaker grill and remove any case that muffles sound. Then, use the volume rocker during a live call and raise the in-call level to the maximum. This differs from media volume. Once done, toggle speakerphone and test a wired headset or Bluetooth earbud to identify if the handset speaker is the issue. Make sure to disable Do Not Disturb and any equalizer profiles, so nothing is limiting call output at the outset. You now apply more technical fixes. Update your phone OS and the calling app, then reset sound settings to defaults to clear conflicting profiles. Next, open accessibility or sound settings and enable any call audio boost or hearing aid compatibility options. They increase call gain at the OS level. If needed, install a reputable audio utility that adjusts speaker gain or provides an equalizer. But make sure to test one change at a time so you can tell which tweak actually improves call volume and clarity. You finish by validating fixes across scenarios. Call several contacts over Wi-Fi and cellular to confirm consistent volume improvement. If one device output still sounds weak, run built-in hardware diagnostics, clean ports and speaker meshes, and consider professional repair if results don't improve. As a last resort, back up your data and perform a factory reset to eliminate persistent software corruption. Troubleshooting tip: if volume drops only on some calls, suspect network.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.